Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good. This is your English class. And before starting, here are some instructions. Check your notebook and pencil, write down important points. Pause your video when I tell you to pause. So students, today our topic is adverb. Yes, an adverb is a word that describes a verb. It tells us about the way something is done, like how something is done. If we are doing an action, then in what way the action is done. Okay, and in this topic we will study first adverb of manner, second adverb of time, third adverb of place, and the last one adverbs of frequency. First, adverb of manner. They describe how something is done, like the in what way we are doing something. These adverbs of manner ends with ly, like ly comes in the end. For example, slowly, sadly, beautifully, loudly, quietly, safely, easily. However, there are few irregulars one too, like fast, hard, well. As example, we see here is a picture of turtle. So the turtle walks slowly. The turtle walks. How he walks? He walks slowly. The second one, he drives. How he drives? He drives well. Understood? Now students, you have to pause your video and filling the blanks. First one, when she is hungry, she eats blank. The second, I hold the thread dash whenever I fly the kite. Third, my sister speaks blank. No one can ever hear her. Fourth, boy runs blank. When dog barks on him. You have to fill the adverbs of manner here. Second, adverbs of time. They describe when something is done, at what time something is done. For example, these words are yesterday, today, tomorrow, tonight, now, before, after, already, next year, eventually, late. Okay. So here we see the example. Now, he is going to eat now. Yes, so he is going to eat. When he is going to eat? Now. So now is adverb of time. Second, I want to travel the world next year. So here next year is the adverb of time. Understood? So students, again pause your video and filling the blanks. First, I will call you blank. I am busy right now. Second, blank, we will be in the 7th grade. Third, my parents will arrive blank. Fourth, I am going to mall blank for shopping. Yes, I hope you have filled the blanks all. Right? So now we move on. So our third type is adverbs of place. They describe where something is done. For example, of, are, under, outside, above, down, below, inside, here, there, between. Like at what place something is done. For example, we see she went down the stairs. She is going down, right? So down is the adverbs of place. Julia remains indoors when it rains outside. Where she remain? Indoor. Where is raining? Outside. So indoors and outside are adverbs of place. Now again pause your video and do this exercise of blanks. First, it is very funny, blank in month of June. Second, students are sitting blank in the classroom. Third, boy is hiding dash the table. Yes, I hope you did this exercise. Now we move on to the last type of adverbs. Adverb of frequency. They describe how often something is done. For example, always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. As we see the examples, first, we should always brush teeth in the morning. And the second, we rarely eat junk food at home. In first, we do always, so always is adverb of frequency, and in the second, rarely is the word of frequency, right? So here again stop your video and do this exercise. First, I dash drink tea, I don't like taste of it. Second, we should dash wake up early in the morning. Third, Alex dash argue with parents because he respects his parents. I hope now you did all the exercises of all type of adverb. Now you understood the topic very clearly. Thank you. Have a nice day.